Good evening, and thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I am Elika Barredo, and I am conducting this interview as part of my requirements on entrepreneurship, subject in tourism and hospitality industry. The goal of this interview is to gain insights into your journey as a business owner, the challenges you faced, and the strategies you've used to success.
Okay.
Your responses will be used solely for academic purposes. If you prefer your name and business can remain confidential, do I have your consent to record this interview and take notes now?
No. Okay lang, go. Kaya mo yan. Kaya natin to.
My first question,
Okay.
can you share the story of how you started your business?
Wow, sometimes. Can I tell my story about how I started my business? Okay, before, actually na-inspired ako sa mother-in-law. My mother-in-law. So, before kasi is like, ano man tawag siya? Meron siyang magandang tindahan sa Buruanga. So, ngayon, na-inspired ako kasi nag-help ako sa kanya before. And, na-inspired ako gumawa ng mag-make my own business. It's because of her. Kasi maraming and karoon ka ng financial stable.
So, my next question is, what inspired or motivated you to become an entrepreneur?
Inspired ko I
What inspired or motivated you to become an entrepreneur?
it's because inspired ako kasi yung ano ko, mga fashion, pagiging business woman. So, kahit ano lang ginatinda mo, di ba? Mas maganda yun, magtinda ka. Magbinta ko. Lahat na lang gusto ko. Tinda ko ng mga baba mo, whatsoever, para magkaroon ng anong tawag dyan? Tired ako kasi, tawag dyan, kumbaga yun na yung passion ko, sales. Mahilig ako mag-market. And, tawag dyan, yun na yung passion ko. Doon ako na-inspired sa ano ko, sa skills about sales and marketing.
So, my next question is,
Okay.
what challenges did you face when starting your business and how did you overcome them?
Ulit ang question.
So, what challenges did you face when starting your business and how did you overcome
Okay,
them?
so, financial, syempre, una-una, first of all, financial. So, kung wala kang financial, mahirap, no? So, yes, oo. Business yun, you need financial, para para may panggastos ka sa lahat, may pangbili ka, may pangbili ka ng needs, you know. So, yun, financial. So, you need to, kapag meron kang financial management, you need it. So, dapat alam mo yung mga costs, yung whatsoever expenses. So, ma-overcome ko yun to analyze my financial statement, like sa kung ano yung mga gastos mo, dapat insta mo, whatsoever, di ba? So, you need to control your financial budget ba? Okay.
Next question, how do you handle competition and keep your business growing?
So, to handle my
Competition.
ko is hindi mo naman masasabi kung saan talaga bibili yung mga customer, di ba? So, kung mas mura doon, yun lang. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag na ano ang tawag doon? Yung customer relationship, no? Tapos, dapat magbaba, like for example, kung bumaba yung price nila, yung baba lang kayo. At least mas mababa sa'yo, di ka na sa'yo bibili, kahit piso lang yung baba nila. Kaya alamin mo din yung price ng iba, tapos konting baba lang siguro. Yun. Okay, ano pa?
What entrepreneurial skills or mindset do you think are most important for success? Skills or mindset.
So, dapat kung yung skills ng business owner, dapat marunong ka mag-solve ng mga problem, dumadating mga problems sa tindahan. So, dapat meron kang skills na ang tawag dyan, yung problem solving ba, no? Tapos sa financial statement, dapat marunong ka din doon, yung skills ang ganun. Tapos, meron ka rin communication skills para sa mga customers mo. You need to know their needs, ganun ba, no? And then, ano pa? Time management, pwede, no? Like, for example, kung ano oras ka magbukas yung tindahan mo, dapat 5 ka magbukas. Okay, tapos, ano pa? Marami pang skills. Yun lang yung sabi ko.
So next one is, what type of business model do you use and why did you choose it? Business model.
Hindi mo to big business, diba? This is a small business, like a wholesaler. So, it's because the wholesaler, bali, ito yung pinili kong business, kasi para makahelp ako sa mga people, mga tao, because that is their daily needs, diba? So, food, frozen foods, kinakain ano-ano. Tapos
Next, how does innovation or creativity play a role in your business success?
How does it?
How does innovation or creativity play a role in your business success?
Okay, mag-market ako. Like for example, you need to market. Kung gusto mo makasunod yung tindahan mo, you need to market. So, bawat store, daanan mo or something na kausapin mo, introduce mo yung business mo. And of course, pwede din sa mga tawag dyan. Tayo kasi ngayon is modern world. No? So you need to like advertise our business in cellphone ba? Pwede, no? Like if you need to advertise it in social media, pwede. Ayun. So doon dapat mas easy for you, no? I-post mo lahat ng mga product mo, why not, diba, no? Ayun.
So, next is, what is your long-term vision for your business? Long-term vision.
Yun lang, makahelp ako sa iba at makahelp din sila sa, diba, mas maganda yung low price, good quality yung low price, makahelp sila sa makahelp ako sa mga.
So, my last question. What advice would you give to aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start in their own business? What advice would you give to aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start their own business?
Okay, advice ko lang is you need to be strong. Pwede strong, di ba? Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging hindi ka pwede kaluya-luya kay, alam mo na, hindi pwede yun, kay mabagsak ang negosyo mo, no? And, believe in yourself. Pwede, kailangan may believe ka kaya ito. I can do this. And then, tawag dyan, so, you need to be strong, never give up, go lang kung anong passion mo, pwede. And ano pa? Never give up. Huwag kang susuko, no? Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo din yun. O, diba, ano?
Thank you for sharing your insights and experiences. Is there anything else you would like to add about entrepreneurship?
Wala na siguro.
I appreciate your time and valuable insight. Your experiences will be helpful for this study. I wish you continued success in your business. So, that's all.
That's all. Thank you so much. Goodbye.